Meister. Nigga had to do this again. Wait, is it Lord Meister now? I guess it gotta be Lord Sneezvs in it. We fucking made it. Yeah, outside. I like your jacket. Where'd you get it?
Wat is dat? Yourself.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Ik moet nu bereiken. Bamboo Beach.
Checkers.
You know the guy starting to play.
But it's obviously because of the setup they made it like a container.
But it's making money. Content creation is finishing the youth. And for you, at your big
It's the wind.
At your big age. Joy looks like someone's stopping. Then my girlfriend is always in the back. These Namib rage people, they are such scammers. Listen to the music they're playing now, and then tomorrow you'll hear what they're playing tomorrow. You know, tomorrow the bouncer is gonna be telling Dwight I
show him my BS, so you know I had to play it on.
General.
coffee at this time, yeah? That ain't no coffee. Jameson. This is why we're late. See, we're late because girls are always late. We're very late.
Vino is also not here, bro. So it's not only them. It's also Vino. Vino is also taking long. I was maybe ready an hour ago, me. Like a real nigga. Scrub my ass, wash my face, put lotion in between the toes. We out here.
We're outside.
Put baby powder on the nuts.
Finally chicken. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. So Monday.
A top score, power in the key, lockdown. When the fully heat, I can't know. Your auntie fully beat, any jolt, the bang is on repeat. Slaughterhouze, a lot of message. I still think that's like a play. What you mean? You want another heat? What you mean? You want another heat?
I'm vlogging, brother. Yo. Gang. What are we saying, guys? It's SOS. Buy your bottles. No fighting. Just have fun, dog. Come on, bro.
They're wearing a puffer jacket on the beach. Wearing a puffer jacket on the beach.
The champ.
Big money, man. Why we out here? Nakatope. They move parts.
This is my favorite bouncer, you know.
Yo, what up? $100 entrance.
What the hell is that? Whoa, chicken tenders. Oh, it's beef.
DJ Alu, you know what he means?
You know when they say my fighter? Yeah. They mean literally my fighter.
He's my fighter, bro. Recognize. Big me. What up? Gang.
What's up, my bro?
But I think we must take shots.
Do it again. Come on, why do you pose like that? Fresh out Portugal, you know. Fresh out Canada, you know. Yeah, yeah. What?
I can't hear the music, so you're lying. You're lying. You back, yeah?
Oh, they said yes. Ek wat is dit?
Drunk. Hey, what is up, man? You know what you go? Skinny dick, young dagger dick.
Young dagger dick.
I'm my boy. Put on cheesecake. You know you got cheesecake coming in. Feel me? All cards. Let's go. Yeah. What's up?
Cheese!
Hi guys, I'd just like to give you some advice. Never drink alcohol.
Never.
And if you do drink responsibly. What's up, big man?
We'll see you now. No, we outside. You already know what it is. Fucking SOS 2022. Huh? No, whoa.
Yeah, you guys are lying. Tell people what you did.
I'm about to go eat some.
You broke somebody's shoe. Now you're about to break somebody's back. Hey, you guys look good. The sun. I'll lie. Wait, let me take a picture. You need to move out. You're not light enough.
Wait, what?
You're not light enough, innit?
I stepped on her shoes. Now we gotta go get new shoes. Cause I got her barefoot now. It was an accident.
Penny McCarthy as Audi from Bafana. Bana and the Chuki as a man at Danyana. When the YC as they call us Bobatanas. Says like a voice when they play some Pakas. Accuse. Something I didn't do. Yeah, accuse number one.
Say welcome to the vlog, fam. Welcome, my people. You are now on Sneezvs Snap.
Yeah.
Snap, you like that? I played earlier this sound of summer take. Man, fuck this nigga, bro.
Yara Eli, we walked to your car. Bye.
Love G. All good?
Boogie! Say walk one.
Accuse number two. Now shoot. I change for Golgasi. I change for Golgasi. Sympathize of God. In what I fuck up. Pass for life. Just go. Power in the key. Lockdown. When the fully hit. I can't know. Your auntie fully beat. Any joy. The is up repeat. Slaughterhouze. A lot of message. A street gang. That's make up with the heat. What you mean? You want another heat? What you mean? You want another hit? I score. My DJ get